A curious mind watches as a jar fills with water, and a fluffy cloud of shaving cream forms on top as a snowy mini storm in a jar. First, the jar is filled almost to the top with water, and a layer of fluffy shaving cream is added to act as a cloud. Then drops of colored water are released from the cloud and seep through the cream like light snowflakes, turning the water beneath into a colorful rainfall. The science behind it shows how clouds hold moisture and how saturation leads to precipitation, a neat, tiny meteorology lesson. The outcome is a playful, safe model of weather that anyone can replicate and observe at home.